Locked in my room, 4 black walls, tied the noose, no recall, no result. Fuck withdraw, rather shoot up till I fall. Murder on call, fight now. 20 years and it seems like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Bodies fucking tailor dinner every nighttime. Smoking that dope up before let me blow. Hopefully don't come, don't fuck with y'all. Spray paint the walls with blood and whatever. Drag you outside, let you rot in the weather. I don't think I can explain any better. I'm scarecrow to terror and live for the lesson. My birth was an error.